foodies, and welcome to another Madelicious session. You know, anytime is the perfect time to make changes sa ating lifestyle tulad na lamang ng diet. Kaya naman tuturuan ko kayo ng dalawang dishes using VEEGA Meat-Free Giniling na talaga namang magpapasarap, no, sa inyong kainan pero hindi masyadong mabigat sa ating dieta. Ayan. So ako nga pala si Liana Tan Arsenas for Home Foodies Healthy Cuisine. So we have two recipes for you today using VEEGA Meat-Free Giniling. Ang isa ay ang ating meat-free Shanghai rolls at ang favorite ko, ang VEEGA Torta. Pareho yung comfort food dishes ko, di ba? Pero ang maganda ngayon, it's meat-free and syempre gamit ang ating VEEGA Meat-Free Giniling that is very high in protein, high in fiber, at walang preservatives. So tara na! So, ang gagawin natin ay ang meat-free Shanghai rolls with very, very few ingredients na pantry-friendly. So, all you need to do is combine itong 1 pack of VEEGA Meat-Free Giniling. You know, again, this is really good. You know, gagamitin mo for soups, mga rice and veggie dishes, as filling for mga buns, pizza topping, at saka mga empanadas or even tacos, which I always do at home. And then, ang ating tokwa that has been fried lightly in oil and then cubed. Yung tokwa, by the way, it can keep, because normally ang tokwa doesn't stay long. No, if you buy it, parang you have to use it. So, ang tip ko sa inyo is that ilagay mo siya in water, takpan mo at ilagay sa loob ng refrigerator, and you know, change the water daily and it will last you for up to 5 days. Isang carrot na shredded or grated, no? Green onions. So, kung meron din kayong wansoy, pwede din. And we'll put in our binder, syempre, ang MAGNOLIA brown eggs. And then we'll put in our salt and some pepper. So, imimix nyo lang to maigi. I swear by this recipe kasi ang lasa niya authentic, tapos hindi mo maiisip na wala siyang karne. So it's a good way to actually have your kids eat veggies. Hindi lang para sa inyo ha, ang new you, pati sa mga anak nyo at kapamilya na kailangan na talagang, you know, have a better diet, no? So hindi nila malalaman na puro gulay yung kinain nila. This is not vegan, by the way, kasi it contains eggs. Even the product, no, has eggs. But it's a vegetarian dish. So, ready na tayo mag-roll ng ating mixture. So, ang gagamitin ko ay square na lumpia wrapper. But of course, you can use any medium lumpia wrapper that is available. Put in about 2 tablespoons of the mixture. Okay, so we're rolling. Just, you know, put mixture towards yung 1/3 of the wrapper sa isang end. And then tuck in and wet the sides as you go along. And we are ready to fry. So I have here very hot oil already. So huwag matatakot sa oil, basta gently yung paglagay ng ating rolls. Now, ang technique to frying is that huwag mong ilagay lahat ng lumpia sa oil kasi bababa yung temperature niya. Kailangan ma-maintain mo yung temperature ng oil mo para yung frying niya ay maganda pa rin, maging golden brown. No, hindi, pag bumaba kasi yung temperature, matagal yung cooking process. Tapos, ang dami ng oil na na-absorb. So, we cook this until the Shanghai rolls are golden brown already. At ilagay natin sa ating rack para to drain the excess oil. So, we'll set this aside at babalikan natin yan mamaya. And now we're on to our second recipe using the same product. Ito naman ay laging staple sa bahay namin. No? It's my favorite comfort food, ang VEEGA Torta. So, ang gagawin natin is mag-heat up ng oil sa isang skillet. So, gumagamit ako medyo mabigat na pan for this. But pwede rin kahit non-stick pan ang inyong gamitin. So, lagay natin ang ating onion. Next is that we'll add our potato. At saka carrot. We will cover this and cook for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes and carrots are tender. Okay, it has been 10 minutes at medyo wala na yung ating water. Nagsisizzle na siya. So, ilagay na natin ang ating VEEGA Meat-Free Giniling. Now, this is packed in protein and fiber at saka maganda, no preservatives. Hindi na to kailangan patagalin pa. I'm gonna nicely spread out the mixture. At pagkatapos, ilalagay na natin ang ating beaten eggs. So I've beaten eggs here. I'm gonna spread this all over the mixture. At this time, you should be able to lower the heat para hindi masunog yung bottom. Yeah. And then we cover this until mag-set yung ating egg. Ayan na, luto na ang ating VEEGA Torta. Ang bango. You know, dahil ginamit ko ay skillet already, pwede nang diretsong iserve ito ng ganito. So, you know, nakakatulong yun na makip warm yung ating torta. So, maglagay tayo strategically ng tomato sa paligid. At pagkatapos, ko nga kung may parsley, whether fresh or dried, you just sprinkle all over. At hindi ba? Yan pa lang oh, ang ganda na ng the way you serve the VEEGA Torta. Who would ever think this is meat-free? I'll be generous a bit. And there, we are ready to serve this. Now, this is good or best served with rice, kasi Pilipino tayo, o kaya whole wheat bread, para talagang todo na ang pagka-healthy. Balikan naman natin ang ating meat-free Shanghai rolls, and we are also ready to plate. So I have a nice black plate here para matching sa aking black pan. So all we have to do is gagawa tayo ng parang pyramid. There you have it, 2 ways with VEEGA Meat-Free Giniling. I've shown you how to make meat-free Shanghai rolls, as well as my comfort food, ang VEEGA Torta. Who said going meat-free is boring? Hindi yan totoo. With these dishes, I guarantee, sobrang madelicious. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Prepare it today or bukas na iserve sa inyong pamilya. So I'll see you again for another madelicious session. I'm Diana Tanag-Senas for Home Foodie.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madelicious!